okay? And jump. Jump. Never mind. You know what? That dog is broken. I swear.
Ayo, pet check. Can we get a Daisy Donkey smile? Oh, we got a Daisy Donkey smile.
Alright, now you get back here. We need to cross this road together. I'll make you go wee all the way to a wooden spoon if you don't get back here. Hey, come back!
I don't know why Mom told me never to eat the yellow snow. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Oh, I'm in heaven.
What are you doing? What is it?
Man, goddamn. My stomach's been hurting all day. Maybe I just need to pass some gas or something. I'm allergic to stick bugs. Maybe there was a stick bug inside of that bamboo I ate earlier. I wonder if brown bears... Well...
What the hell?
Monty, no, honey. Shall we get a bath? High five. Good job.
Обнимашки, обнимашки. Говорят, очень полезные. Вот поэтому Мартин и Барон пользуются Рысика добротой и обнимают его. Бесплатно.
He is so curious. What is that?
Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
See him off, Inky. Go see him off.
And it's sore too, I think.
Need a tasty dinner right now? Little Caesar's large $5 hot and ready pizza is there for you the minute you walk in. No need to call ahead. Pick up a large hot and ready classic.
Okay, you're all done.
Cash's turn.
Katie, you're done.
Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirt, squirt, squirt.
It's a thing. My point is, everyone's got different tastes. That's why the rise of the mix and match.
Oh, John.
Oh, you gonna go? Oh no.
Oh, who wants? Okay. Hi. Hi. Oh, yummy.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do?
I ain't gonna lie, this house is boring as hell. I hate it here. The owner's lazy as hell, got the Christmas tree up in April still. And honestly, this toy sucks. Food makes me constipated. I'm tired of this here, man. I can't wait for them to go back to work so I can chew up their couch again.
We're going to Aunt Karen's house. Don't give me that look.